order to understand time travel, one must first understand time. So what is time? I'm going to try and explain time with this goldfish. You see, the goldfish can be measured with a ruler in length, height, and even width to figure out how big, how much space it takes up. But the thing that most people forget about is right down there. You see, this goldfish exists in this second, and this second, and this second. Therefore, time has to be a dimension because it's measurable and it helps define that goldfish in space. So now that we know that our world is 4 dimensions and not just 3, we can further understand what time travel is and why it isn't exactly possible as we know. All dimensions as we perceive them are positive. There is no negative measure for length, width, height, anything like that. Therefore, there cannot be a negative measure of time either. So, the idea of going back in time to stop some evil person from doing something, like Hitler, let that go. It's not going to happen. However, time travel into the future is more possible. It's really hard, but it's possible. All you have to do is go extremely fast. And when I say extremely fast, I mean like 99.9% the speed of light. This concept was first explained to me on a Discovery Channel show with a guy by this name. And he explained that if you have a train on a track that goes all the way around the world, and it just keeps going and going and going and going, faster and faster and faster, eventually it'll get up to a speed close to that of the speed of light. That's right, friction and all that nonsense. Once it goes up to that really, really fast speed, the things inside the train are going to slow down. You see, nature doesn't like its laws to be broken, obviously. So it makes fail-safes to keep you from breaking those laws. Suppose that there's a child in this car, this train car, and they're going 99.9% the speed of light, 99.9, whatever. Suppose the kid starts running really, really fast. Is it possible that this kid can now go faster than the speed of light? No. And I'll tell you why. Nature's fail-safe for keeping the speed of light at the speed it is and letting nothing go faster is to slow down time as things speed up. Or at least our perception of what time is. I believe it was theorized by Einstein that says if you can travel the speed of light, time for you will stop. And that's a problem. But don't worry about that. That's not what I'm here to talk about. It's the fact that the time slows down as you speed up that makes time travel possible. Not probable, but possible. So take, for example, these people in the train going around the world. And they're going 99.9% the speed of light. And so the time inside the train has slowed down enough that 1 week to them, what they see as a week, is actually 1,000 years to the rest of us. This applies to aging too. So these people sitting on it will go 1,000 years into the future and be only 1 week older. So time travel, yeah, it's possible, but it's extremely hard to do because you have to go really, really, really fast. And furthermore, most people probably wouldn't even partake in this time travel that is possible because, ask anybody, they're going to want to go to the past or they'll want to go to the future and then come back, which isn't going to happen. I'm sorry, but science fiction lied to us again.